Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Arabic vocabulary for time. The first one is an-nahar. 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 This word is used for day. The second word is as-sabah. 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 This word is used for morning. The next word is ad-duha. 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 This word is used for the time of chash. The next word is al-zahira. 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 This word is used for midday. The next word is al-layl. 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 This word is used for night. The next word is thaniyatun. Thaniyatun. Thaniya. This word is used for second. The next word is daqiqatun. Daqiqatun. Daqiqah. This word is used for minute. The next word is as-sa'atu. As-sa'atu. As-sa'ah. This word is used for hour. The next word is al-yawma. Al-yawma. Al-yawm. This word is used for today. The next word is amsi. Amsi. Ams. This word is used for yesterday. The next word is قبل الأمس. قبل الأمس. قبل الأمس. This word is used for the day before yesterday. The next word is غدا. غدا. غد. This word is used for tomorrow. The last word is بعد الغد. بعد الغد. بعد الغد. This word is used for the day after tomorrow. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.